Atlas Pet Plas is a manufacturer based out of Bawal, Haryana. They are manufacturers of CDS and CWD pipes. Like any other MSME, they rely heavily on power, and rising power cost was a serious concern for them. They were looking to switch to solar, and the biggest hurdle wasn't the tech, it was financing. For MSMEs, working capital is always tight. Getting a loan for solar isn't easy, and the process can drag on for months. At SafEarth, we stepped in to exactly solve the same problem. We began by doing a deep dive into their financial data, their balance sheet, cash flows, and existing commitments, and to understand what financing option would be feasible. Then, using a platform, we matched their profile to the most suitable financing partner. We negotiated the loan terms, including the tenor and the interest rate, and secured a floating rate of interest which was among the best in the industry. With financing being solved, we finalized the project specifications and executed everything within agreed timelines. We also provided generation guarantee to assure returns and build confidence. Today, Atlas saves over 10 lakh rupees annually, and the payback is less than 5 years, and they continue to reap returns for the next 20 years or so. This project is a perfect example of how SafEarth integrates the EPC and the financing solutions, making the solar transition simple and accessible to consumers that don't have upfront capital. With financing made seamless, we are bringing more MSMEs into the renewable energy ecosystem. Every project takes us closer to our goal of saving over 1 billion tons of CO2 through our projects. At SafEarth, we enable the smallest to the biggest industries switch to clean energy.